Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find Zelle QR code in Chase app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that matter, simply go ahead, open up your Chase app on your phone and make sure you're signed in as well. Now right away, simply go ahead, tap on this option of pay and transfer as highlighted. Then you're going to find this kind of interface which shows pay and transfer on top, and you can see this see activity option which is highlighted as well. Simply go ahead, tap on it. Then in another tab you're going to find this option of settings, and go ahead, tap on it. Then in another tab you will be able to find this option of see my QR code, and simply go ahead, tap on it. Then you will be able to check out this interface where you will find your Zelle QR code right over here. You can choose to simply download it, or you can simply share right away to any of the friend of yours for them to send you money. Otherwise you can simply check it out likewise. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.